Independent client, customer Hyde. This is 107D, as in dog. We are finished up. A couple things to note as far as the installation. We had to rework the plumbing underneath the sink area here. So if you take a look, I put down a little note there, must check for leaks. We have tightened all of the plumbing to see whether or not there's going to be anything. We have glued in all of the joints that are solid joints. But this has not been pressure tested or leak tested. So definitely going to have someone check the nut on the bottom of the strainer basket. All of these connections. And then there is not a strainer basket here for this one. So you're going to need a standard strainer basket. We did have the cup for the disposer. So we were not able to check the dishwasher either as far as the function. So we left the power off of it. As far as operation, everything's in there, everything's done, but we were not able to actually check it for function. The water's not on. All the moldings are done now. All the finished moldings around the tops here are finished. All the cabinets cleaned out. Here, we already did that one. Up here, everything's good. Got 6 different bolts in the top there. This one's got 4, 2 there, 2 over here, and this one's got 6 as well. So should not be any problem as far as the hanging. All of the cabinets were reinforced in the top of the cabinets with screws before we hung them, so there shouldn't be any problems there. I put some tape on here, no drain, just because I don't want anybody pouring anything down in this. And of course we attached everything. All of the supply line for the dishwasher and for the faucet is attached, but we don't have any pressure to check it for pressure testing. Over here, got 2 cabinets installed for above the washer and dryer. Good shape. Same thing. Okay. On this one, the plug that's behind the stove is actually that thick. It needs to be turned sideways or drop down underneath the stove ledge. Right now, you can't push this back. It's as far back as it will go with that plug in the way. Down here in the bottom, there's your anti-tip device. And there is a plug here that is showing up behind the cabinet. And I guess it was that way before. I'd have to go back and look at the original measure we did. But up here, cabinets, lights are working. Oh, we've left the circuit off. We did check this though. The fan's working, lights are working. Good shape there. Cleaned out. Same thing there. Okay. Down here. Good shape. Same thing here. This is the 15-12 combination. Okay. So, like I said, that outlet might need to be moved, at least, if we're trying to get against the wall. The outlet behind the stove is going to have to be flipped over or moved down to get the stove to push back. And then just double check everything here as far as leaks under the dishwasher, as well as under the sink area. Any questions about anything, feel free to give us a call, 423-650-1051. Have a great day.